going to open another gun is AR-15. So let's open this very fun. Yeah. Okay, so let's open it. We have some bullets here. We have the gun here. And we have more, another part of the gun. So let's put the gun together. Put like this. Put this gun at front. And right in the bullet, you can have a big one or maybe a small one there. So let's see the big one first. Big one looks like this. And then you take out the bullet, press this button, and take it out. And let's try the other one. This. So and then we have the battery, long one. Then we have the battery to charge it. We can put it in like this, and we just charge it. So here is the thing. This is also the red dot laser. So we can put it inside, downstairs, and the other side. So left and right and downstairs. This time the bullet is green. And we also can put white as well. So let's put the battery in. So you press this button, open it, and then we can take it out more. And see here, this thing, you put the bullet to the left side, this thing, and here is the same. Put it like this. Don't turn like this. Put it in there. And let's cover it down. When you cover it off and you press this. Press it down. And this is how the gun looks like. So let's put the other things as well. So we can put like this. This and the other side also, just the two of this the same. The dot. I'm putting all the accessories down, and this is here upstairs. How to know where are you shooting, and this is the red laser. The laser looks like this. That dot is one. You have the button to on and off here. And then every time when you shoot, if you want this one, then you always pull it out and open this and put the bullet in and close it. See that? With this one, then like this, you don't need to take it out. Just like this, it's a bigger hole. So here you can put the bullets in here, but it's smaller. And here is also more bullets. very powerful gun as well.
Subscribe for more videos.